all are doing great. So now I want to try this recipe and see if it can be an alternative to moi moi. And if you don't want to wash beans and you still want to eat moi moi, what are we waiting for? Let's try this recipe together. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and let's do it together. So I'll start with my foil paper. So this is my foil paper. Let's do the wrap for the moi moi. If you have banana leaf, plantain leaf, you can use any one you have. Okay, so I'll be doing this. For those that don't know how to do the foil paper process, just watch what I'm doing and you will get it. Okay, so I'm just folding that place down. After cutting it, I'll fold it down, so just to make this place secure. So you can do it as many times as you want. Okay, so just do it down, and while you're doing this, you're pressing it down also, so it can stay where you are pressing it. Okay, so you will go down to the bottom side. We'll also do the same thing. I'm also folding now. All this will make it very secured, so while you're cooking it will not burst open. Okay, so just make it tight, and this is what we'll have. So it's so simple and easy to follow. So let's go right into the recipe. I have my sweet potato already. I have peeled it, chopped and washed. Okay, so let's go over to the next. So I will transfer it into my blender. Please use the quantity that your blender can carry, so that you will not add enough water. If the water is much, your moi moi will not be strong. Okay, you need to observe that. Just little water. If it is to grate it, go ahead to grate it before blending, or chop it into a smaller bites where your blender can carry it easily. Okay, so I'm going to do this and I'll transfer it into my bowl. So this is my blended sweet potato, and I'm just stirring everything. I'm just stirring it. Okay, so just to make it to be fluffy, and I will add in my onion. You can use any color of onion, either the white one or this red onion. Okay, my roughly blended pepper. So just mix everything to combine. I am really waiting. I want to know how this recipe will turn out to be. I'll add in my vegetable oil. Okay, let's see if we can replace this with moi moi. Okay, so the day you don't want to do moi moi, you do this. Just to have a change of food. Okay, so I'll be adding in my seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice. Next is my salt, and I'll be adding in 1 egg. Okay, all this is really building up the flavor. So mix everything to combine together. If you watched up till now, thank you very much for always coming back. Thank you for your support, your share. As you are amazing. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and stay connected to the family. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting this in my foil paper, and we will continue our cooking. So this is how we just do it. So this is the foil paper now. Just fold it so it gets more secured. Okay, as you fold it, it will be more secured. Next, we'll go ahead to cook our moi moi. Okay, look at how packaged it is. Making food from your home, I'll always advise it is more better, easier, cheaper and safer. Okay, so this is after cooking and it is done. So let's see the results. Let's see what we got. As I said earlier, if you add much water, your moi moi will not be strong. Okay, so either you grate your potato before blending, so you will not add enough water. Okay, so this is what I have. My moi moi was a bit soft. Okay, but the taste is amazing. Okay, I would advise anyone that wants to do this, go ahead to do it. It's good. Okay, so from me is bye bye. See you in my next one.